Hey guys, I just recently have been trying out a new pick, and some of you guys may be blue chip pick players, some of you may be Toneslab players, some of you may not care what you play with. You may cut your own credit cards up and use pieces of those, but I just thought this was interesting. I'm normally a blue chip pick player. I just really like the way that they feel, and they kind of stick to my hand a little bit whenever I'm playing. So you may see that in some of the videos. It's not doing it right now for some reason. There it goes. But when I'm playing, sometimes my hand just comes apart. It just sticks to it. Seems like it's worked really well. I used to drop picks a lot. I haven't in a while. I haven't in a long while since I started using blue chip picks. But this is a TD60, and I also have a CT55. Whenever I use my play my mandolin, I usually use a bigger pick. But anyway, this is my normal pick that I use. Recently, I've gotten a Toneslab pick, and so I wanted to do a little bit of a tone test and let you guys hear it. And let me know what you think in the comments. Some of you may have strong feelings about this. Others may have strong feelings about paying $35 a pick. Totally valid. I have strong feelings on both of those, but just let me know what you think, and we'll see how it goes. All right, y'all, so that's a little bit of a tone sample on these. Once again, this is a blue chip TD60, and this is a Toneslab. This is not one of the new Torlon ones. This is a Darth Tone. I think it's Jeremy Simmons or something, like Jason Simmons. I can't remember the guy's name. It's from, I think it's from Banjo Ben's store, but it's the Darth Tone type of Toneslab. It's a different shape, and so these are just my thoughts on these. Of course, this is Old Reliable, the blue chip. It's in the normal pick shape, the teardrop shape, and I really love blue chips. No matter what shape they are, they just have a good feel to me and a good tone. And so I really enjoy these. These are new to me. They have a little bit different of a feel. My old guitar teacher used to love the Jim Dunlop plastic picks, and this feels a lot like that. A little better, obviously better, but it does kind of have more of that quality to it. That's just my opinion. You guys may think differently. But anyway, as far as like a tone, it's a pretty good tone. I like the tone. I would choose this over if it's not a blue chip, I would choose this because it does play well or sound good. The playability of it does have a really, really easy to, it's really easy to not miss, which, it just feels like I can get the point of the pick to the string a little bit faster. I don't know if that's just my feeling on it. So, I mean, as far as playability goes, super easy to play with. I really like those. But very nice. This is my first impressions of Toneslab. This is the Darth Tone. It's a signature model. I think it's either Jason or Jeremy, and I'm so sorry, whoever this signature pick is. I did not mean to forget your name. But I did get it from Banjo Ben, and it does not say your name, it just says JS. So apologies. Really great pick though, appreciate that. And then, of course, this is the Bluechip TD60, and I've had this one forever. But it does a great job, and it's not worn out, and it still looks pretty brand new. So, and it's not for lack of playing. I've played the mess out of this one. So let me know what you think in the comments, and if you've got some recommendations on picks you think I should try, just to give, maybe you've got a better pick than a blue chip and a Toneslab. I would love to hear that. I'm kind of a sucker for $35 picks, but anyway, let me know, and y'all keep picking, and have a good week.